Purchasing a new Polaris ATV or side-by-side is always exciting, especially if it's your first foray into off-road riding. The proper maintenance of your vehicle is the best way to ensure that it operates to its full potential. With the right tools and know-how, you can maintain your vehicle from your own garage, ensuring you get the most enjoyment out of your off-road experience. Your Polaris ATV or side-by-side has a continuously variable or CV transmission that utilizes a drive belt made of rubber and aramid. This belt is the only link between your engine and your drivetrain, making it one of the most important parts of the vehicle. While it is true there are aftermarket belt options available for most ATVs and side-by-sides on the market today, the best belt option for your Polaris vehicle is, without question, a Polaris engineered heavy-duty belt. What makes it better than the rest? The answer is simple. Polaris clutch and drivetrain engineers spent countless hours developing specialized rubber compounds and belt construction methods to ensure any belt with the Polaris engineered logo will outlast and outperform anything else on the market. More than 3,000 hours of design and development go into each Polaris engineered heavy-duty belt. That belt is then subject to over 20,000 miles of field testing, 1,200 vehicle validation hours, and countless hours of durability testing on a dyno. By the time a Polaris engineered HD belt gets to you, the customer, it has been proven over and above any of its competition, so that you can have complete confidence that you're getting the absolute best in performance and durability. The material compounds found in Polaris HD belts are proprietary to Polaris, and they ensure your belt will run cooler than the competition. The way the belts are built is also unique and patented, and it's what makes a Polaris belt the strongest and most durable option on the market. How you treat your belt will have a huge effect on how your vehicle performs and how long the belt will last. The most important aspect of belt care is the break-in period. It's tempting to rush this step or skip it altogether, but following the proper break-in procedure will be well worth the effort as you rack up the trouble-free miles. Break-in is very simple and quick. Simply vary your speed in low gear for 5 to 10 miles, avoiding any wide open throttle pulls. After that, you're good to go. There's no question the best choice of belt for any Polaris off-road vehicle is the HD version. It'll offer the longest life and best performance possible. HD belt options are available for a huge list of Polaris off-road vehicles, but you might be wondering why you're not seeing an HD belt listed as an option for yours. Any new Polaris vehicle that has an HD belt option listed comes from the factory with a standard duty belt, so the HD belt is a very worthwhile upgrade. But if you don't see an HD option for your new Polaris vehicle, it's simply because the stock belt your vehicle came with is already an HD version. Here's a couple pro tips to consider from the very first day you pick up your new Polaris ATV or side-by-side. First and foremost is don't leave the dealership without a spare belt. It's an absolutely essential item to carry with you whenever you ride. Your dealership can also help you ensure you pick the right belt for your vehicle. Next, if your vehicle already comes with an HD belt, break it in properly, then replace it with the spare HD belt you bought and break that one in the same way. This way, your spare belt is pre-broken in and ready to go whenever you need it. Similarly, if your vehicle comes with a standard duty belt, break it in as soon as you get it home, but then switch it for the HD belt you bought as a spare. Run the HD belt and keep the standard duty belt your vehicle came with as your spare. Finding the proper standard or HD belt can be accomplished through your Polaris dealer or by using their online maintenance and service parts page on the Polaris website and verifying fitment for your specific model and year.